Good morning from Cornhill Market in Lincoln. This is the outside of the market. So the market has been recently renovated and I just want to have a look inside. So come with me, let's see how it looks like after the renovations. So this is one of the entrances. There is another entrance on the side if you go this way. But this is the main entrance. So as you can see, you still have the bunting. And this is what you see when you go inside. There's plenty of sitting area, tables, chairs, and it's one of the stores. You can get drinking water from this dispenser. This is the entrance to the toilets. As you can see, there's a bin outside for general waste and recycling. And yeah, so you can go this way to the toilets. The toilets are free of charge. Wow, so this is the toilet area. It's just for the cleaners. I really like the towels they use. See the color, the nice towels. And so these toilets are for traders only. And there. So, and this is how they look like. So, absolutely love the door. Look. Very nice. And this is the toilet inside. Very spacious. Yeah. With your usual sanitary towel bin, the toilet itself, flushing buttons, toilet paper, soap dispenser, nice cute little sink, and hair dryer. So each toilet has a sink and air dryer. So there's no communal sink area. And that's where to hang your bag or jacket. And that's how you close it. So let's just check the rest of them. Not sure what's that for. Yeah, it seems that they're all the same. Okay, there's a mirror here as well. Okay, the doors look the same. That's it when it's closed. Yeah, so the rest look the same. Let's check out the wheelchair access toilet. So this is it. Let me just close it so you can see. So that's the signage there. It's wheelchair access. You also have that signage on the wall. And this is it. You can see the door is wider on this one. So to allow the wheelchair to go inside, and that's how it looks like. Okay, so that's a soap dispenser. So rails to hold on to, a mirror, and the tap. More rails, and look at the exposed pipes. Sanitary towel bin. The toilet itself, and I think this is a nappy bin. Yeah, nappy bin, because this is also a baby changing area. More rails, and this is the baby changing thing. So you need to lower this down and use it. And there's the hair dryer and a mirror, a better mirror. I like this one. You can actually check it. See the full body, unlike the other ones. Okay, so these are the toilets in Lincoln Market. Let me know what you think. I like them personally, but I know they are new. I hope they age well. Just one more thing about the toilets. They are unisex, so there's no separate section for ladies and gents. The market building is Grade 2 listed, which means it's of special architectural and historical interest. This is the other side of the market, so that's the main entrance. You'll see this telephone booth. It's now been boarded up. I believe there was a cash machine on where you see the board. But yeah, so on the other side, on the right hand side of the telephone booth, when you're facing the market, it's this side here with the sitting area, open space. Again, this is newly done. And there's also another entrance to the market. So this is how it looks. So that's the market building. A very nice building. And some tables and chairs. And that's the other entrance with 2 doors on the side. Okay, I'll also show you the opening hours. I forgot to mention that earlier. So that's the entrance with a very nice lampshade, and the doors as well. And the same as the other one, because it's 2 of them, 2 doors. It's just a plaque about the opening of the market. Okay, and that's just the rest of the building. Let's go and check out the opening times and then end the video. So opposite the market is Waterside Shopping Center. The market opens from Wednesday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Sunday.